How to connect Crunchyroll to TV. Now in this video, I'll show you the quickest method for you to connect Crunchyroll into your television. Now there's actually a lot of methods in doing this. For example, if you're going to be using Crunchyroll from your mobile device and guess it out into your television, it's actually doable, but it's kind of complex method of doing that. But this is the most convenient way of casting out or connecting Crunchyroll into your TV. So first is you have to fully understand what specific subscription you're in. So say for example, you're currently on a fan subscription. That means that you can only stream one device at a time. However, if you do have the Mega Fan subscription, you can stream 4 devices in one single time. Once you have all of them, what you want to have to do on your smart television is to access Google Play or any available app store that you can use on your TV. And then Crunchyroll anime streaming is just available on Google Play Store. Simply download it, activate it, and you should be able to use them. And that's it. That's how you connect Crunchyroll to TV.